Unlocking the secrets of costume alterations. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines fashion with functionality: costume alterations. Whether you're preparing for a special event, a theatrical performance, or just trying to understand more about this aspect of English, you're in the right place. Let's explore what costume alterations mean and why they're so important. Costume alterations refer to the process of making changes or adjustments to a costume or a piece of clothing to ensure a perfect fit or to modify its style. These alterations can range from simple tasks, like hemming a skirt, to more complex modifications, such as resizing a dress or suit. Alterations are essential in the world of costume design and fashion because they help in achieving the desired look and comfort for the wearer. Whether it's for everyday wear or specific character in a play or movie, alterations ensure that the costume fits the body of the person wearing it perfectly. Costume alterations hold significant importance for several reasons. Perfect fit. The primary goal of alterations is to ensure that the costume fits the wearer's body precisely. This is crucial not only for comfort but also for appearance, as a well-fitting costume enhances the overall look. Customization. Alterations allow for the customization of a costume. This means adjusting a pre-made outfit to meet specific requirements or personal preferences, making it unique to the wearer. Functionality. For performers, alterations can make costumes more functional by adding or removing elements to suit the performance needs, such as dance movements or quick costume changes. The alteration process involves several steps, starting with the initial fitting, where the tailor or costume designer assesses what changes need to be made. Measurements are taken, and the alterations are planned out. Then, the actual sewing and modification work begins, followed by additional fittings to ensure everything is just right. Professionals in costume alterations must have a keen eye for detail, excellent sewing skills, and a deep understanding of fabrics and design principles. They work closely with the wearer to achieve the desired outcome, making adjustments as needed until the costume is perfect. Costume alterations might seem like a small detail in the grand scheme of fashion and costume design, but they play a pivotal role in achieving the perfect fit and look. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion, a theatrical performance, or just looking to understand more about this fascinating process, remembering the importance of costume alterations can make all the difference. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you in your journey of English language learning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.